Hello Dnation and welcome back to yet another unbox and review episode. Today we're going to be reviewing the Kawasaki Ninja H2R 2017 model, and we're going to be taking a look at the 1/18th and the 1/12th scale licensed diecast replica motorcycles manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get started. Well, in today's episode, I want to save you the trouble of running through the entire process of unboxing these beautiful diecast motorcycles. And so, for a change, I went ahead and pulled up one of the recently popular diecast motorcycle that is in fact one of my favorites. So let's go ahead and take a look at this awesome replica. So now, as we know what this amazing replica looks like, and with this out of the way, let's go ahead and look a bit further into this well-detailed 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle replica. To begin with, this model is a licensed diecast motorcycle replica of the Kawasaki Ninja H2R 2017 model, which is one of the fastest motorcycles in the world as of date. And this is a premium and well-detailed replica and has good build quality and quite a bit of intricate details to it. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic. And what I like most about this model is even the carbon fiber body finish is replicated to the T. And these features make it premium looking like its life-size counterpart. And this superbike that made its way into the history books for smashing land speed records comes in two scale size replicas. This premium 1/12 scale model measures in at 7 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 2.8 inches in width, and weighs in at about 163 grams. And this premium 1/18 scale replica measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 2.8 inches in height, 1.8 inches in width, and weighs in at about 110 grams. These models come with spot-on paint apps and branding details and have free rolling wheels, excellent suspension, a kickstand, and a lot more details that make these a premium collectible. And with these licensed models, you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. So with that being said, now let's place these fast and furious replicas on the Dnation dyno and check out their wheel spin and functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium model. And as you can see, the wheel spin on this diecast replica is equivalently as fast as the real deal. And that brings smiles to my face. And so with that being said, let's place this diecast motorcycle on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And as we take a look at this black beauty, here are a few fun facts. The Kawasaki Ninja H2 is a supercharged supersport class motorcycle in the Ninja sports bike series, manufactured by Kawasaki Heavy Industries. This features a variable speed centrifugal-type supercharge. The track-only variant is called the Ninja H2R, and it is the fastest and most powerful production motorcycle in the world. It produces a maximum of 310 horsepower and a 326 horsepower with ram air. The H2R has 50% more power than the fastest street legal motorcycles. And the street legal Ninja H2 variant has a low power output of 200 horsepower and 210 horsepower with ram air. And for further information on the Kawasaki H2R and the Kawasaki H2, kindly find the links in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 118 scale or even the 112 scale diecast motorcycle that was featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this amazingly detailed Kawasaki Ninja H2R 2017 model which is manufactured by Maisto. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback. Kindly continue to support Dnation. And I also wanted to let my Dnation family know that I've got some amazing and one-of-a-kind exciting and fun videos lined up for you. And I would love for you to be a part of this journey. So stay tuned and show Dnation some love. Thank you once again. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode. And I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below. And stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.